This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's so great to have you joining me here in these online lessons. In this video, I'm going to go over a super fun strumming pattern that uses 8th notes and 16th notes, works for 4/4 time. Of course, once I've gone over the strumming pattern, we'll jam together on a chord progression with bass and drums accompaniment. So it's going to be great. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my Chords and Harmony Books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, this is pattern number 26 found there on page 93, which is part of the review and further study. This is a further study as we haven't gone over this strumming pattern before. With these video lessons, I'm not going over and reviewing the ones we have done before in the lesson series, just going through the ones that are new to us, and this one is new to us. Once we've done this, as I mentioned, we're going to go over to page 94 then, and we're going to jam together using this strumming pattern on chord progression number 14. So it's going to be fun. Alright, so we start off with this down, 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 up. We've done this before with some of these sort of swung 16th half time feel, double time feel sort of strumming patterns. So these relaxed feel strumming patterns. So we got down, 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 up. That's not anything new to us. Then we've got the little up, down, 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 up, down, and then down, up there on the end. So you got down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. We're going to be playing in the key of C, so I'm going to go ahead and play that strumming pattern with a C chord. So we'd have ready and... Practice it at different tempos. We're also going to be playing the F chord and the G7 chord. You can work it with those chords too if you'd like to. But right now we're going to go ahead and jam together on this chord progression. So again, it's chord progression number 14 found on page 94. We're going to do it twice. First at a slower tempo and then at a faster tempo. In both cases, we're just going to insert this once per measure. So it's going to be great. It turns out to be once per chord. It's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and do this together. Alright, awesome. In the next video, we're going to take a look at another super fun strumming pattern. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at kristenbromley.com. Take care.